The first item is to remind you about the community care available through Wake Us Now. As many of you are aware, we have offices on Lyndale at 6457 Lyndale. They are open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and they are open for individuals with any sorts of needs. That includes people who attend Awake, but it also includes people from throughout the community and, quite frankly, from around the country. We have a group of volunteers who have access to incredible resources dealing with everything from abuse and substance issues, aging parents, dealing with kids who've lost their way, helping people finding jobs, putting together resumes. The list goes on. I can't even begin to lay it all out. But I do want to let you know that that is available throughout the week. You can contact us by phone. You can contact us at awakeusnow.com, or you can just stop in at 6457 Lyndale Avenue South, and there will be people there who will receive you with open arms and do everything possible to assist you. So please do keep that community care both in your mind as well as in your prayers. And if there is someone close to you, someone in your life that you know is going through some tough times and could really use some free and incredibly helpful Christian assistance, this is a good resource, so please do make the most of it.